Not vibing with the animated avatars in CS2 and wanna switch them off? Or perhaps you're itching to turn them on? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to do both. Let's dive in. First, fire up Counter-Strike 2 on your computer. Then click on the gear icon from the upper left corner of the screen to bring up the settings. Next, switch to the Game tab. Then click on Communication from here and you will be taken to this section. Here, you will find the Allow Animated Avatars feature. To disable it, just click the box next to it and select No. Now, you won't see any animated avatars of people. But if you want to enable it, just click the box next to Allow Animated Avatars and select Yes from the options. And you will be able to see animated avatars of other people. So that's how you turn on or off animated avatar in CS2 from your computer. If the video was useful, please hit the like button. Want more CS2 related tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.